Hey guys, how's it going? That's me. And here's my fish. He's wiggling around pretty good. I'm gonna get him up on the beach. Get a close-up. There he is. Too easy to catch. Takes about 3 seconds. These are pretty much played out. They've spawned, so the meat on these isn't that great, but it's good for certain things. I guess I would certainly feed this to a dog. That'd be good. But if you get one that hasn't been fully spawned out, they're tasty, so maybe I'll look for one of them. Alright guys, cheers.